Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter MSVCP140 dll or VCRUNTIME140 dll not found error, then watch this video for the solution. Now the solution for this is very straightforward folks. We just have to download Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. So search for it and then go to this link here and you will get the link here. Now you need to know whether to download the x64 or the x86 version. So just go to system information and look at the system type. Mine is an x64 based PC, so I will download the x64 link. If yours is an x86, then you can download the x86 link. Now I'll just click on this and it will get downloaded, right? But before I install it, I need to uninstall the installed components to prevent any conflict. So go to control panel, uninstall a program, and then I will uninstall all these Visual C++ redistributable files. So just right click on them, click on uninstall and click on yes, and do this for all these Visual C++ files. And once they are done, we'll go to the downloads folder and we'll see this, right? And we will right click on them and click on run as administrator. Yes. And then we will click on, now after you have uninstalled it, it will come as install. Now once you install them, just restart the computer by clicking on the start button, on the power button and restart button, and this should solve the issue. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.